Just get to the point. Before coming here, I finished editing and doing the cover pages for my 4-volume books. Actually, I was motivated with that, basically with my current inventions and the current work, because I found out, as I just said, that a lot of this conventional converter topologies, or classical, or whatever you want to call it, including all the resonant, quasi-resonant type, and especially LLC converter. I don't have time to talk about it, but if you have questions, I'm glad to answer. So because of that, I think I go back to my basics. And the basics are, in 1970, Caltech started as a second university PhD program or research program at university in power electronics. First university was Duke University with Professor Wilson and his colleague. And so I republished 3 of these volume books will be available now through Amazon and through their subsidiary CreateSpace. 4th volume, I added my PhD thesis for 2 reasons. One is that half of my PhD thesis of 300 pages is state space averaging. And I'm sorry to report that after 40 years, since actually 1976, 75, when I came up with the state space averaging, I gave a talk at APEC on it, and I'm sorry to report that even my best PhD students didn't get it. Okay, so hopefully now with this republication and with the 4 patents I had on a Chu converter, which deals with basically integrated magnetics and coupling inductor methods, which are still applicable to my new technology, that this will be a good start to get into, to understand my new system technology that I'm developing right now. So here is where I feel that power electronics was stunted in its growth for last 40 to 50 years. Okay, I came on board 40 years ago. When I came, it was, as I showed here, my first papers that I was publishing, and I was giving 5-day course, which was called Topologies, Magnetics, and Control. Okay? I consider this field difficult because it requires expertise of all these 3 areas: topologies, magnetics, and control. Now, inside the magnetics, as you'll see,